on Wednesday, we'll be celebrating Halloween. Yeah? And as you know, it's a tradition that we picked up in other countries. For instance, Scotland, England, Wales, Ireland, yeah? And now, 2 centuries ago, we began it in the United States and Canada, yeah, with immigration. Now, what do we do on Halloween? Right now, on these days, we go from house to house asking trick or treat. Okay? And how do you know that the house is prepared to give you a treat? Because the porch light is on, or you have lanterns outside. Yeah? That house you can bring on. Yeah? The rest, you just pass by. Now, we also do some games on Halloween night. Yeah? One of the games is bobbing for apples. You have a tank full of water, and you have apples on top. Yeah? They're floating on the water, and you have to get an apple with your mouth. Okay? Other things that we do is we peel the apple at 12 o'clock at night, at midnight. You peel the apple, and with that peel, you throw it over your back, and whatever shape it lands on, it means that is the first letter of the boy or girl you're going to marry. Okay? Another thing is, at midnight, you look into a mirror, and a face will come on the mirror. If it's a girl, a boy's face will show up, and if it's a boy, a girl's face will show up. But what happens if a skull shows up? It means that you're not going to get married. Yeah, ever. Now, as you know, for Halloween, we also tell stories, which is what my co-workers here are going to do. They'll give you a story for Halloween. Okay? Thank you.